Are you tired of saying, I'm sorry all the time, even when you haven't done anything wrong? Do you say sorry when someone bumps into you or when you ask a question? You're not alone, and today we'll fix that. In this video, you'll learn 10 powerful alternatives to I'm sorry that will boost your confidence, help you sound more natural, and communicate more clearly in English. So let's stop apologizing and start speaking like a native. Section 2, 10 better phrases to use instead of I'm sorry. 1. Excuse me. Use this when you want someone's attention. Instead of, sorry, can I ask you something? Say, excuse me, can I ask you something? 2. Pardon me. Use when you didn't hear someone clearly. Instead of, sorry, what did you say? Say, pardon me, or could you repeat that? 3. Thank you for your patience. Great in customer service or late replies. Instead of, sorry for the delay, say, thank you for your patience. 4. I didn't mean to. When you accidentally do something, instead of, sorry I stepped on your foot, say, I didn't mean to step on your foot. 5. I apologize. Formal version of I'm sorry. Use in writing or meetings. I apologize for the confusion in the email. 6. Thanks for letting me know. When someone corrects you, instead of, sorry, I didn't know, say, thanks for letting me know. 7. That was my mistake. Own your error without over-apologizing. Instead of, sorry, I made a mistake, say, that was my mistake. Let me fix it. 8. Can I ask a question? Don't say sorry for being curious. Instead of, sorry to bother you, say, can I ask a quick question? 9. Let's try that again. When something goes wrong, instead of, sorry, that didn't work, say, let's try that again. Thanks for understanding. For difficult situations, instead of, sorry I'm late, say, thanks for understanding. I was stuck in traffic. Section 3, bonus. Tip, practice this mindset shift. Here's a mindset trick. Instead of thinking, I did something wrong, think, I'm communicating clearly and respectfully. Confidence in English isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear, kind, and calm. Section 4, practice time. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I'll give you a real-life situation, and you'll repeat the new confident phrase out loud. Ready? Say it with me. Say it out loud. Repeating helps you remember. Let's go. 1. You're late to class. Imagine you walk into class or a meeting. You're late. Everyone looks at you. Don't panic. Don't say, I'm so sorry. Say this instead. Thanks for your patience. 2. You didn't hear someone. Now picture this. Someone says something, but you didn't catch it. Don't say, sorry, what? Say this instead. Pardon me. 3. You want to ask something. You want to ask someone a question. Your teacher, a friend, or a stranger. Instead of saying, sorry to bother you, try this. Excuse me, can I ask something? Let's go slowly. Excuse me, can I ask something? Perfect. 4. You made a mistake. We all make mistakes. Imagine you typed the wrong number or said the wrong word. Don't over-apologize. Instead, say, that was my mistake. Say it with me. That was my mistake. Great job. Let's review together. Quick fire round. Let's do a quick round to review everything. I'll say the situation. You say the phrase out loud. Situation, you're late. You say,
Thanks for your patience.
situation, you didn't hear. You say,
Pardon me?
situation. You want to ask something. You say,
Excuse me? Can I ask something?
situation. You made a mistake. You say,
That was my mistake.
so ready to stop over-apologizing. Start using these powerful phrases instead, and watch how your English and your confidence improve. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly English tips, and comment below. Which sorry phrase do you use most? Let's grow together. See you in the next video.